Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm flipping through a new box from Kellofaplan. This is a mother themed box, which is really exciting since Mother's Day is right around the corner. So if you're interested in purchasing this box, it's going to be available for purchase on Friday the 17th. I will have time, date, all that info down in the description, and then also my affiliate link if you'd like to use that. In this video, I'm just going to flip through all the things, and then I will have another video up on release day where I actually use the items, because I think there's a sticker book in here. So for sure I want to make a spread using the sticker book in this box. But let's first admire the box because it's really, really pretty. I love seeing the designs of the boxes, and it has really pretty florals. It kind of gives you a little sneak peek of the design for inside the box as well. So we have a mother's love, it makes everything bloom, Kellofaplan mom box. Okay, and then on the side it says, "You're doing a great job." So this would be a perfect gift for a mom in your life that you want to gift some fun planner stuff. So definitely, or yourself too, if you're a mom. Okay, so look how pretty this is. Already loving this. Here, okay, so we have a really cute pouch. I love these pouches with the lettering on it. And this one is nice and big. So it says Mama on the front. My sister loves when my nephew calls her that. Mama. It's so cute. Okay, and then here, it's a nice pouch that you could put in all your stuff you want to take with you. Or put in any kind of like mom stuff, like whatever you want to put in your bag for your kids, or just use it for planning related. Honestly, bags like this are always super handy for traveling and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, really, really nice bag. Nice thick material too. And then it has a zipper on the top. Okay, so that's the first item. Okay, then we have a bunch of things here. Ooh, there's a lot of new fun products I've never seen before. So that's exciting. Okay, so let's see what we have. First up, we have some sticky note sets. Oh, nice. Okay, so you get a little pack of sticky notes here. These little flower ones are really cute. Kid plans, sign for school, errands, mom time, and then you get that really cute green one. Actually, let me take it out so you can see it a little bit better without the glare. Okay, so there are these sticky notes. Really, really pretty. All right, so that's the sticky notes. Look how cute this is. Okay, this is definitely a new product I've never seen from Kellofaplan. We have a mama keychain, so pretty. And of course in yellow, because that is Heather's favorite color, so love that. And then it's gold on the hardware. Okay, so nice little cute mama keychain. And then, oh, this is so fun. Okay, this is cute. A door hanger. I love when these boxes include not just planner items, like lifestyle items too. So this is cute. Do not disturb mom's personal planning time. Love that. So you can pop that on your doorknob and then let the little ones know, like, hey, give me a little time doing your planning. That is so cute. Okay, so there's a little door hanger. Next we have, ooh, I like seeing this because I can definitely use this. All right, so we have weekly dinner plan. I always love these kinds of sheets, but I love this one even more because it has a magnet on the back, so you could stick this on your fridge. So this would be good for meal planning. And then you have Monday through Sunday, so you can meal plan all of your meals for the week. Nice little pack there. Oh, you know what? It gets even better because on the back, it has a grocery list for you to take shopping with you. So that's even more perfect. Love that. So you can make your meal plan and then you can do your grocery list on the back and you're good to go. Okay, so that's good. And then next, oh, we have a bunch of, again, magnet stuff here. There's a few of them in this pack, actually. And then I don't know the price point of this box, but I'll look it up after I share this. So you do get a marker with this so you can use on the boards. But here we have a few different ones. So first we have family schedule. So Monday through Sunday on the schedule. Important notes. That one's really pretty with the little flower on the corner. And then we have chore chart. Actually, I could totally use this for myself. Chore chart. Put that, you know, just slap it on top of the, on the fridge. and keep track of all your chores. Love that. And then a nice monthly calendar with a little list here. So that's awesome. You get all these 4 huge magnets that you could put on your fridge. Really, really cool. Okay, so this box is $49.99 on the website. Also, there'll be some other items. I'll go over the other items that will be coming out too. But let's continue with the unboxing. So we have a sticker book. I'll flip through this in a little bit, but it is a Mom Basics sticker book. So we will flip through that in a bit once I clear this table. We still have a few more things to go when it comes to getting this stuff out of the box. Okay, these are really cool. So these are 10 photo protector inserts. So we are gonna flip through these. I have some of these kind of inserts from back in the day, long time ago, from the Happy Planner that I have in my collection, and I always get asked where I got them from, but there's nowhere to, like, you know, direct anybody to get them because they don't sell them anymore. So now we have some from Kellofaplan where you can pop these in your planner. They're already punched on the edge here, and then you can put like a photo. It looks like a 4x6 sizing here, I think, where you could put photos, or you could put in like you could make like a little scrapbook kind of memory keeping page and slip it into these pockets, which is what I like to do with my little protector sheets here. Just put pictures and memory kind of stuff that I want to document. But you do get 10 of these little inserts, which is awesome. So, and these are going to be classic size for this one. Okay, and then the last thing in this box is, what is this? This is, I don't know if it's a planner. We'll see what it is. It is, oh, it does look like a planner. Yeah, I think it's a daily planner. Okay, so again, we're gonna flip through this in a bit, but it looks like it is a planner. Let me double check just to make sure I'm giving the right information. Okay, so it is, yeah, it's a mom planner. So daily sheets and note sheets. So this is gonna be a very productive planner here. So I'm excited to flip through that. Okay, so those were all the items. So if you wanted like a quick little, you know, peek into what's in the box, these are all the items. I'm going to do a little bit more in-depth flip through of the planner and then the sticker book next. So we'll do the planner first. Also, I have to say, I love green and pink together, so love this color combo that I'm seeing here. But let's go over the planner. So it says, a mother's love makes everything bloom, and it has these little mini white discs here, stripes on the inside cover. Let me move it up just a little bit. And then here we have daily plans. So you have a schedule here where you can map out your day, the hourly schedule. Today's top 3 important meetings, appointments, events, kid activities, practice games, household tasks, highlight of the day, your mood, your meal plan here, and then today's to-do list. So like I said, very functional planner. These pages are very, very functional. Okay, so those repeat. You got a few of those. And then it goes into note paper, and it's got the really pretty floral print on the punched edge. And then also here. So just like a lot of note paper for you to just jot down stuff, kind of brain dump, which is good to use for these. And then you have the stripes, and then that is the back cover. Okay, so that is the planner. I realized I was missing an item from this collection. So this is a separate thing. This is a mom planner. So if you get the box, you're gonna get everything that I showed already. If you want the planner, you can buy the planner on its own. This planner is different from the planner in the box. So this one's a little bit more of a, like what we're used to when it comes to planner in here. So I'm going to flip through this one because the sticker book that's in the box will work in this planner as well if you get it. And it looks like you can get the sticker book on its own if you want to. You don't have to buy the box if you want to just have the sticker book, which is nice to see. Okay, so let me flip through this planner first. So that way, when I flip through this sticker book, it'll make a little bit more sense. Oh, I forgot to show the box. I mean, the box looks very similar, just a different colorway, but the same kind of print. But it does say Mom Planner on the front. And then got got some stripes on the side, very nice. And this one's a nice thick planner. It says, in the chaos of motherhood, I found my purpose. Okay, let's see what's in here. We have some stripes on the side. This is your year, really nice place for your name. Okay, we have the, I always forget what to call this page, but you could jot down important things that are upcoming for the year that you can pre-plan with. So you can, you know, kind of a little snapshot of the year. Okay, these you can use however you would like. You can make some important maybe goals or different things you want to do for each month and note them here. Ooh, I like these pages. The last time I really want to be better about doing this, especially for my car. That's one thing that I realized because my car is older, that I need to keep track of when I last did something, because I want to make sure it's all being done correctly. So we have house task edition, so things like change fire alarm batteries, clean dryer vent, cleaning edition, bathroom, office, living room, deep clean edition, windows, carpets, furniture, car edition, car wash, oil change, annual checkup, bathroom edition, change bath loofah, new contacts, wash toothbrush holder, declutter edition, declutter closet, declutter pantry. So it has a bunch of different things. And you could always, if you want different categories, you can write them in yourself if you want to. Okay, our home info. So address, HOA info, if you have that, mortgage payment, contact infos, Wi-Fi info, access code, utilities, and maintenance. So numbers for these companies. Our family, where you could put down all the family members, their name, birth date, relationship, phone numbers, emails, and notes. Yearly bill tracker, so you can track your bills on these yearly sheets here. Then a note page, and now we're going into the planner. So this is the monthly section here. It's like pretty standard monthly section. Nice little one, some kid activities, appointments, and bills. This month, you could use this for like memory planning, or like I've been doing one thing a day, so I would totally use this for that. Just writing one thing a day. A note section here. Okay, this is interesting. This is like a new type of layout. I like that there aren't already a category here. You can write in your own category. So you could do Monday through Sunday, whatever you want to categorize here. There's a nice little habit tracker. You have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, so meal planning here. Then you have the weekly section, so Monday through Sunday, and an important section, self-care reminders and wins from this week. Okay, so those are the weeklies here for this planner. Get a few of those, and then it goes into the next section, and you get the same thing every week. Okay, so let's just flip through the dividers now. You get some nice florals, the yellow dots. More florals. Pretty graphics. The butterfly is so cute. Fun geometric pattern. Okay, and then the back. All right, so that is the planner. So you have the planner if you want to buy that separately. And then if you like this more, like these daily sheets here, you could get this one in the box. Okay, so now that I've gone through both of the planners that are available in this release, let's flip through the sticker book now, because this sticker book you will be able to use in both of those. There's stickers for both of these planners in here, which is nice. Okay, so first up we have these really pretty florals. These are all paper stickers here. You get some nice big versions of them here. Nice. Really big ones here. Love the butterflies. Okay, lots of headers or important words. Play date, appointment, uniform, order, schedule, symptoms, meeting, tournament, recital. Lots of words on here, and you get 2 pages of those. Okay, let's go into the functional boxes here. We have habit trackers, little boxes here that you can make your own lists, checklists. Okay, now we're getting into the stickers that are made specifically for the books or the planners. So this one is for the mom daily sheets. So this planner right here, these are gonna fit in the schedule part right here. If you don't want a daily schedule here, an hourly schedule, then you can use this checklist, put it here, and now it's a checklist. Okay, these little boxes will fit here if you want to retitle these headers. These little checklists will fit here. These dots will fit in here, or you can fit them wherever. But these stickers are made for this section here. So those are the boxes. And then this also, these are made for these sections here. This one, I'm assuming fits over here too. So yeah, it says Mom Daily Sheets. Okay. Then next we have Mom Monthly. Okay, so this one is going to be for this planner here, the Mom Planner. And all of these will fit in these boxes here. You have lots of bullet points, checklists here that you can cover up if you want to make them colored ones. Headers, numbers here so you can date it. So yeah, you could have lots to work with on these pages. This is for the Mom Monthly as well. More dating stickers. And then you have some like no school, play date, doctor, vacation, some words. Okay, this is for the Mom Weekly. I don't know if I mentioned, it says it up on the top here, what each one is for. So these are the weekly sections here. So we have these that'll fit here. You have checklists that could fit here as well. And these boxes here could go in this section. So there's the boxes. And then here, what are these? What is this? Okay, I see cut lines. Oh, it's cute little like torn pages, kind of like washi. So that's fun. I for sure will be using that in my plan with me. So you get some fun patterned ones like that. Okay, more of them here. Yeah, more of the torn looking little strips. Okay, very cool. I like seeing those. It's like a nice little decorative element. Okay, I think those are all the ones that fit for the planner specifically. Okay, then we have some quotes, some mom-related quotes. My heart walks around outside of my body. Silence is very suspicious. Snack provider. You are more than enough. Raising kindness. The most ordinary moments become the most meaningful. Then you get them in color. Some nice colorful ones. Very pretty. Here we have, okay, let's see what these are. These are, oh, they're words. Okay, letters. So you have a bunch of alphabet stickers here. This is a W in the fun pattern. Oh, can you see it? W. Okay, so that is really cool. Very nice. Okay, so 2 alphabet sticker sheets. Okay, so that is the Mom Basics sticker book. Okay, so that was everything that is releasing. Definitely, if you're interested in purchasing, this is a really good, I feel like the box is so cute. Such a good gift idea too. Even if it's somebody who's not into planning, like I feel like everybody could use these kinds of items. You know, nice little things to keep you on track when it comes to your schedule, which is nice, and cute little items too. Really, really pretty. Info about the release is going to be down in my description, so if you're interested in purchasing, definitely check that out. I plan on having another video where I actually use the items in a spread, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I just wanted to flip through all the things. So actually a lot more than I thought, because I didn't realize I had that planner, or that the planner was part of this release. Also, I wanted to mention there's also going to be some big snap planner covers. So if you're looking for like a big cover, check that out too, because that'll be on the site too. You can see all that stuff over there right now. So my link will be down in the description with all this stuff already for you to view. But that's going to be it. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.